Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Quirkle the Game is probably one of the most engaging and strategic board games out there, perfect for game nights with friends and family. With its simple rules but complex gameplay, Qwirkle challenges players to match colors and shapes to score points, creating a fun and competitive experience for all ages. Get ready to put your spatial reasoning and strategic thinking to the test as you aim to outscore your opponents and claim victory in this exciting tile-laying game. Number 5. Bad People Party Game Plus After Dark Expansion. Looking for a fun game for your next party? This adult card game is perfect for voting on outrageous questions about your friends. It's a hilarious way to find out what people really think of each other. The game includes questions like, whose parents are most disappointed in them? And most likely to join a cult? Prepare for some next-level questions that will make you want to ditch your other games. With 320 hilarious cards, player identity cards, voting cards, and double down cards, it's easy to get started. This is the ultimate game to level up your game night. It's a perfect gift for Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, or any holiday party. This game makes a great stocking stuffer or funny Christmas gift for friends and family. Whether you've played it 10 times or 1,000 times, the gameplay changes every time. It's designed for ages 15 plus, takes 20 to 60 minutes, and can be played with 3 to 10 players. What we like? This game is all about finding out what your friends really think. It's perfect for those who love a good laugh and aren't afraid to get a little scandalous. If you're planning a party or looking for a fun icebreaker, this is the perfect choice, as it guarantees a night of laughter and unforgettable moments. It's the ideal game to bring people together and create lasting memories. What people say. The game is easy to learn. The game is quick to play. The game is a great way to spend time with family and friends. Number 4. Inspiration Play Ruin IT Adult Party Board Game. Are you ready to ruin the party? This hilarious adult game is designed for ages 18 and up. It's a guaranteed good time with friends and family. The goal is simple: ruin any given topic in 4 words or less. Convince the judge why you should win the round. The player with the most points wins the game. Party games don't need to be complicated. You'll learn how to play this game in minutes. A full round can be completed in under 30 minutes with 3 to 8 players. Looking for a gift? This game is perfect for camping, birthdays, holidays, and more. Enjoy a laugh with friends and family. Get ready to laugh, cry, and listen to your friends ruin all your favorite things. This game will bring the party to life with every card drawn. Inspiration Play is known for its fun games for adults and kids. Your purchase includes 255 topic cards, 8 whiteboards, and 10 markers. Try it risk-free. Add our new adult game Superficial to your cart and get it free with the purchase of this game. No code needed, just add both to your cart. What we like? This game challenges you to be creatively destructive. It's designed for quick rounds and maximum laughs. If you're looking for a game that's easy to learn but offers endless replayability, this is it. It's perfect for those who enjoy a bit of chaos and quick wit, making it a fantastic addition to any game night. What people say. Really fun game. My family has played it a few times now. We love how it shows who thinks like each other. Great family game. Easy to play. Comes with dry erase boards that are fun to use. I love that the game can never get old. It comes with good quality whiteboards and markers. Number 3. Gutter Games Beat That. Combo Pack. Make game nights unforgettable with this combo pack. It includes 240 wild challenges that are fun for all ages. Gather your friends and family for a night of laughter and interactive fun. Show off your skills with unique, action-packed tasks. This combo pack pushes players to their limits. It's great for parties and challenges. Ideal for reunions, parties, or casual get-togethers. This set keeps everyone engaged with hilarious and competitive party games. It's designed to entertain both kids and adults. This set includes 160 challenge cards, 80 tokens, 10 cups, 5 balls, 4 dice, and more. The expansion adds 80 more tasks, creating endless possibilities for your next family games night. Designed for players 9 years and up, this combo pack offers quick setup and hours of fun. It's perfect for game night, house games, and family games for kids and adults alike. What we like. This game is all about testing your skills and having a blast. It's packed with a variety of challenges that will keep everyone entertained. If you have a family with kids or are looking for a game that bridges the age gap, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to bring people together for a night of laughter and friendly competition. What people say. The game is easy to learn. The game is a great way to spend time with family and friends. The game is fun for all ages. Number 2. Gutter games beat that. Family game night set. Looking for a fun game for family night? This game is perfect for kids and adults. It includes 160 wacky skill challenges. The game kit includes everything you need. It comes with challenge cards, betting tokens, and other game items. It's ready to play right away. Get ready to bounce, flip, and roll your way to victory. This game offers a series of exciting challenges. Bet on your skills and have endless fun. The compact box makes storage and travel easy. You can take it to parties, vacations, or casual hangouts. It's designed to be mess-free. Players can wager on their abilities with betting tokens. This adds excitement and friendly rivalry. It's a great icebreaker for any gathering. It's ideal for various occasions, accommodating ages 9 and up. Both adults and kids can compete equally. It's a great way to create lasting memories. What we like. This game is all about fun and friendly competition. It's designed for easy setup and travel, so you can take the fun anywhere. If you're looking for a game that's great for parties, holidays, or casual gatherings, this is the perfect choice. It's a fantastic way to create lasting memories and enjoy some quality time with friends and family. What people say. The game is easy to learn. The tiles are a nice size and easy to handle. It is a great game for all ages. Number 1. MindWare Quirkle Game Kit, Strategy Game. This is Qwirkle, a fantastic game for the whole family. It helps players develop spatial recognition and problem-solving skills. It's fun for both kids and adults. The rules are simple, making it easy for everyone to join in. You build lines by matching tiles based on color or shape. It's a great choice for family game night. Qwirkle has received multiple awards, proving its quality. It's a game that everyone will enjoy. It's a perfect addition to your game collection. This game is designed for players aged 6 and up. It's a great way to spend quality time together. It's a game that will keep you entertained for hours. The kit includes the Qwirkle game with wooden tiles, Qwirkle rummy cards, and a bonus pack. It provides everything you need for a fun game night. Get ready for some strategic fun. What we like. This game is all about strategy and fun. It's easy to learn, but offers a challenge for all ages. If you like games that stimulate your mind while providing hours of entertainment, this is the perfect choice. It's a great way to spend quality time with family and friends while also sharpening your strategic thinking skills. What people say. This game is well made and a great game for families. My grandkids ages 8, 11, 14 and I all enjoyed playing this easy to learn game. Great fun. Easy to learn and fun to play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.